Welcome to Shannea's School of Thumbnails. The number one reason I'm making this video is because I'm a part of the Women of YouTube Facebook group, and every single time I post in there, I get comments like, how did you make this thumbnail? Where did you make this thumbnail? What do you use? So this is for all those lovely people out there who are just really curious about how I make my thumbnails. So I'm gonna give you the biggest secret of all, okay? I only use Canva. That's it. Okay, real quick before I show you my thumbnails, I just want to show you guys my nails. I think they're so cute. Anyway, back to the video. Okay, so all I do is go to the Canva website. I go up here and I type in YouTube thumbnail. Click on that and it's already the size that you need for YouTube. And then I create a blank thumbnail. Literally though, you can go through all of these thumbnails and just customize them. Like, let's say I wanted this 7-minute meditation one, but this isn't really my brand colors. I can just click on the color right here and change it to whatever I want. So Canva is really awesome in that way, where they have tons of templates for you to choose from, and you can just like edit them how you want if they aren't the right colors or fonts that you want. Okay, so the first one that I want to show you guys how I made was my trying the Amazon waiver, that video, the thumbnail for it, because it seems like people are mostly like trying to figure out how I do the blurred background, and you can obviously do this in Photoshop. I just think it is so easy in Canva. Okay, so what I did was take a bunch of still photos in my video software from my video, and then I uploaded them through the upload tab into Canva. So they're all here. I can choose from them, edit them however I want. So the first thing I want to do is do the background. So this is a still photo of the background from where I had just like gotten up in the middle of the video to go grab something. So I just did a screen capture of that part of the footage where it was just like this. Okay, once I have my photo the size of the thumbnail, I'm just going to go to adjust and then blur and blur it to how I like. And I also am going to brighten it up, because I just think it's a little too dark. You kind of want your background to be a little bright. So do that, do contrast, and I think that looks like pretty good for the background. So for this particular thumbnail, I want 2 different photos of me on here. So I'm gonna click on this one and it just automatically imports, and then I can go to effects and I can do background remover. It does take it like a second, but then it will automatically just remove the whole background for you. You don't even have to do anything. And there is a restore and erase button for if you want to restore parts of it. And it just looks like that. So I'm going to put that one over here. And then I'm going to add in another one. So I want this one of me doing my hair. I'll do the same thing. Effects, background remover. And then once it has removed the background, I can adjust it and put it where I want. So I want it to be a little bit bigger. I'm going to move this one over, make this one bigger. So that looks pretty good. The background is blurred, the subjects are in focus, and it's really kind of how you're wanting your thumbnails to look. Well, then it's time to add text. So Canva has this option where you can go to elements, and I'm just going to type in Amazon, and you can find all kinds of cool elements in here, but they have the Amazon logo a couple different ways. You can do Amazon.com. I'm going to just click on this one that just says Amazon, and I'm going to put it right here in the middle, because this is an Amazon product, so I really want to like enhance that in the thumbnail so that they know what the video is about. But this really just brings in the branding of Amazon into my thumbnail. So I'm going to put that in the middle, and I'm just going to put trying Amazon waiver. So now I need to add my own text, and I'm just going to add a heading and put trying. Actually, I want it to be in all caps. So the font that I always use is Intro Rust. That is a pro font on Canva, so you do have to have the pro version to be able to get that font. Yeah, I'm just gonna make the font white. I'm gonna go to effects, do shadow. I'm gonna add pink behind it and bring the transparency up, because my brand colors are pink, mustard, and like this dusty blue. And that's pretty cute. So that's how I would make that thumbnail. Okay, so if you just watched all that and you're like, there's no way in the heck and Bob I'm doing that, I'm about to blow your mind. Are you ready? Like, I don't think that you are prepared. So just prepare yourself, buckle up, I'm gonna show you. You can literally buy these YouTube branding kits that are customizable to you. They're Canva templates that you can customize. So let's say for mine, you pay $15. You get the PDF of 2 YouTube banners, 2 YouTube thumbnail options. You get 6 end screen options. So all these different end screens, you get them. And my packs also come with video frames. I have not seen any other person that sells the YouTube branding kits on Etsy have the video frames. So thank you for sticking around and watching my video. I hope it was helpful to you in some way. And please check out my channel, Branding Kits. I work really hard on them. And I will talk to you guys later, alligator.